What's good, YouTube? Randy back again with another unboxing video, and today I got a very special surprise for you. If you're trying to up your game with your photography or your YouTube channels, this is your item. Forget about getting those very expensive cameras or Sony's and those Canon ZX5000. This is going to help you out with your iPhone game. Am I right?
Yeah.
This is the FREAKN Lens Pro, and right now, this is the unboxing for that. If you're thinking about anything that you like on this channel, anything that you like what I'm talking about, please leave comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos, and hit the notification bell to be updated on all my upcoming and future videos. But today, this item is the prize, the game winner right here. This is the FREAKN 9-in-1 Lens Pro for your iPhone 11. I'm sure you can actually use this with your Samsung, if you are those Samsung people out there. But I'm so happy to be the iPhone. I'm actually filming this video right now of an iPhone, and I think this is going to help my iPhone game tenfold. I wanted to get a camera, but I was like, you know what? No, let me use this iPhone, see how well I can do it. And then I was introduced to this FREAKN 9-in-1 Lens Pro. I've heard great reviews from this. It said it has one item that I really want to use in here, which is the widescreen lens. I'm not sure how it's going to work with my iPhone 11, seeing that we got two cameras on the back, but I'm gonna figure it out. Here's the top. Here's the sides, nothing on it. It says FREAKN right here. It has some description right here, the wide angle 9-in-1 lens. It says iPhone, but I'm sure you can utilize this thing with your Samsung. Lens Pro photo lens system for iPhone. And it's got a little one of the widescreen lenses on the front. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. This is for the content creator who utilize their iPhones to create content for YouTube. So if you want to get your message out there, or if you want to just make good quality content, my main focus is lighting and audio. Right now I'm utilizing my iPhone 11 right now, so I want to up my game instead of going out and buy one of those expensive cameras. They always talk about how
they forgive you for the quality of your video, but they won't forgive you for your audio and your lighting.
So those are my primary, my go-tos when it comes to content creation. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. By the way, do you guys like my roses? And I always wonder, I would like to ask you guys a question. What phase are you guys in? Are you on the first phase, like you trying to understand your gear? Or are you in the second phase when you are really trying to up your game when it comes to subscribers and likes and notifications? Please leave a comment below on what phase you are in. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. Right now at the top, like I said before, it's a FREAKN and FREAKN on the front and on the top, but no other descriptions on the back. So let's go ahead and get started. Bam. So right now we got a selfie light pamphlet here. I'm gonna hold it up to the camera. Selfie light, I guess this is some voucher. So yeah, you get a free gift. So I got the user manual here. So like I said, it has nine lenses in here. It has the wide lens, the 0.63x wide lens, starburst lens, telephoto lens, super wide lens angle, a kaleidoscope, and also a fisheye lens. Love the package. It comes in this little case right here. I'm pretty sure you can utilize this case later when you're trying to box this stuff back up. You can always store your items in the personal case and transport them elsewhere. You can throw this in a bag, in your photography bag, or your videography bag. I love the fact that they included a personal case for this item. Oh, look at that, great presentation, look at that. I can see so much potential with this item. Only because I don't want to go out and buy those expensive cameras everybody's talking about. Not yet, of course. It's a new YouTube channel, so of course I want to start my channel just right instead of going out renting out to buy the most expensive cameras. I just heard that the Sony AS7 III just emerged. And I heard that bad boy is a beast, so I'm gonna try to get that as soon as possible. It's easy installation. You actually just plug this thing on your phone. So this is the clip that it comes with. Then you just attach the lenses to this item here. So again, with this item, you want to step up your game instead of running out to buy the most expensive camera. You want to step your game up, whether or not you on a Galaxy phone or iPhone. I really utilize this item on my iPhone. This is going to step your game up tenfold. I'm reviewing this item for you so you can be able to purchase this item for yourself. For all the content creators who create on their phones. And I think this product right here is perfect for the average YouTuber or photographer who want to step the game up instead of running out to buy the most expensive camera. This item, however, is going to cost you about $30 on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Be sure to like my video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated on all my future videos and giveaways. Thank you guys for joining me for this unboxing. Until next time, stay royal.